so for this one, what I'm doing is just starting with sort of a percussive just tap of the strings. So that I'm using in place of the low root notes that are unavailable on the ukulele. So you start off with just a tap, okay? Then you're going to use your thumb to pluck the third string, all right? So you pluck third string. Then you set your index finger down on the first fret of the third string. So I'm using thumb. Now I'm using index finger on the second string, but I'm going to set my pinky down on the fourth fret of the second string. And then I'm going to go back to first fret of the third string. So you've got percussive tap, okay, so after that riff, you're going to do another percussive tap. Again, open third string to first fret of third string. And then what I was doing was, if you can, just kind of roll your index finger down to first fret of the fourth string. So here's what we got from the top. All right, one more time. All right. Then we're going to do the first riff again. So that's the same as the very first riff. Now we have a slight alteration that's going to go. So again, you're going to do your percussive tap, open third string, first fret of third string. Again, following that same sequence, first fret of fourth string. Then you use your ring finger to grab third fret of fourth string. So that third piece. So here's what we got from the top. All right. Now we're going to go through all of that pretty much the same. Except for that very last little piece where we go open third string, first fret of third string, open third string, first fret of fourth string, third fret of fourth string. One more time. So here's the whole thing from the top, played a little slower. And then it just repeats that cycle again. So that should be the entire riff for you on the ukulele. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this lesson was helpful for you, and I'll see you on the next one.